So this is where the videos happen, guys. This is all you need. You need your phone and yourself. I'm gonna turn the flash off. All you need is the desire. And if you sustain a desire for long enough, it becomes instinctual, and it's not just who you are, it's what around you is, if that makes sense. And you want to recreate your world. That's a really important step in rewiring your brain, because right now I'm doing the 70 steps, and there's little facets within the 67 steps. You can make it hundreds of steps. You can, because from each step there's a point, and that's another step. And I gotta think of my train of thought right now. Yeah, what I'm saying is recreate your world. Basically, make your business plan, rotate the things in your life to meet that business plan. Because we live with a brain that's mismatched to a society, mismatched evolution. That's one of the steps that you need to understand. Because we can see that there's people that are fat and all this. They actually make the choice of becoming that way because they know what they do to make them fat is a mistake, but a mistake repeated twice is a choice. So even if you say, oh, I'm only doing this because I'm at a party, it's still a mistake. It's a choice. We have mismatched evolution. We have a society that has super stimulants that make us dumb and compliant, and we live in complacency, predictability, and need to overcome that. So how do you guys like me walking around? Is that better for you? I really want you to get your cognitive juices while thinking about what I'm saying. Capture and create in your mind. Create questions, things that you can take away. So remember that each one teach one. Learn with intention to teach. Okay, so back to the recreate your life. So you rotate family relationships to meet that business plan. And there's so much more I could talk about, but today this is what's on my heart, and just love the grind. It's also in this step. Love the grind. Sorry that it's too dark for your eyes. Not everything's going to be perfect. Nothing will ever be perfect. It's true that you can do anything that is... It is true that you can do everything that is only anything. One thing. Singular focus. That's all you have. You can only focus on one thing. This gets your lymph system going, and it's fantastic for lymph flow and for sore muscles, for everything. It just flushes those knots out, everything, you know. Just do like this 120 times. Great for bone health. Hope you like this. Yeet.